Ubiquitous is one of the most classiest shows that I've been to.
It's about the overall health of a black woman.
There are thousands of women here.
There's plenty of products, plenty of free stuff.
I am a kid in a candy store in here just to work with Jermaine Lethbridge again.
The only way we become ubiquitous is that I make a difference in your life.
We're here for our Caregiver Health Initiative.
We are understanding the importance of unity.
There are programs, seminars, panels.
Each year it gets better and better.
We've never seen this amount of people.
I was honored that they even asked me to perform at an event like this.
This is my 5th year here. This is the 5th year of its existence.
This is the place I'd like to be.
We love women empowerment. We love seeing black women and women of color succeed.
I'm encouraged by them.
Nothing but positivity, great questions.
I did it last year and I will do it again and again.
So I'm kind of hooked on Ubiquitous.